Flash floods, which have posed a perennial problem for city dwellers, look set to get addressed seriously, with a study initiated to find a long-term solution to the issue. A two-pronged approach is on the cards, with IKRAM embarking on a year-long study on Kuala Lumpur's overall drainage system, while DBKL implements 14 interim measures under the KL Flash Floods Mitigation Action Plan 2022. KL Mayor Datuk Seri Mahadi Cik Ngah said, IKRAM, appointed last month, would prepare, among others, an inventory of the existing drains in Kuala Lumpur. A progress report will be filed every 3 months before the study is concluded next year. He said this to reporters at the DBKL headquarters today.
Sebab perkara ini kita lalui dan kita juga sebelum ini melaksanakan beberapa tindakan untuk tebatan banjir kilat ini, namun dia masih lagi berlaku pada 25 April lepas. Ini banjir kilat di Kuala Lumpur. Jadi seperti mana yang kita sedia maklum, kejadian hujan lebat yang tak akhir sekali yang berlaku baru ini pada 25 April